honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Me and Walter got to get out of here tomorrow. We're both out of our medicines, so we got to go to the pharmacy. So we got these little cheap masks that are not effective, but it's better than nothing. And we got the blue gloves to put on. But anyway, I'm getting ready to make some cake mix cookies in my Cosori air fryer oven. And I'll be using a regular boxed cake mix. It's the strawberry. And I'll be using some white chocolate chips. I want something sweet, y'all. And I've been nibbling on chocolate chips. These white chocolate chips. I didn't know I liked white chocolate. I like it. Okay. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to plug in my Cosori air fryer oven. Where's the plug? There it is. Let's see what's in here. I'll put it in the middle rack. We'll put on the bake setting function. What is it? A cookies function? Yeah, it's a cookies function, so I'll put on the cookies function. Okay. Turn the light on. And I'm going to preheat. Okay, in the meanwhile, I got a bowl, and I'm putting my cake mix in the bowl. I'm not going to follow the directions on the box for cookies. It smells good. Remember, do not use the recipe on the box. Okay, you got your whole box of cake mix. You're going to put in 2 eggs. And 1/2 cup of oil. Please don't use olive oil for cookies. I'm using canola oil. You can use vegetable oil, but don't use olive oil. This is 1/2 cup. I'll show y'all. Okay. That's it. I'm going to stir this up. I'm beating up these eggs first in the corner. Then I'm going to mix this up. Don't look like it's going to come together, but it will. And after it's thoroughly mixed, then I'll drop in some of those white chocolate chips. Oh, it smells so good. Steady scraping the side of the bowl. Making sure all the powdery looking mix is well dissolved in this mix. I don't want to see any powder. Okay. Still scraping the sides down. Look at the bottom. Okay. That's good. Now I'm going to put in my white chocolate chips. Let me scrape this. That's how it looks. Okay. That's not a whole lot. I just sprinkle some in. Okay. It's a 9 by 12 size baking pan, cookie sheet, or whatever this is. And I got this silicone mat on here, so I never have to wash these things. I just wipe this off with a paper towel. It looks pretty. Nice pink color. Using a small, I call it a cookie scoop. Space the cookies so they're not all running together. That's a little one. When I finish putting these on here, I'll be back. Okay, this is how I have them spaced. You're going to put them in the middle rack. And I'll press start. You'll see. And it's going to take anywhere from maybe 8 to 12 minutes. So I just have to watch my cookies. Everybody's ovens are different, so can't no one person tell you how long to bake cookies. You have to watch your stuff. Same thing with air frying. You have to watch your food till you get till you really know how to cook in your air fryer. You really get to know it, then you don't have to watch it. So I'll be back when I'm finished with this cookie sheet. I'll be back. Okay, I got less than 2 minutes left. We're going to see how they look when the timer runs out. That's how they're looking right now. Okay, they look pretty and they smell so good. Okay, this is about to ding. So I'm going to look in here and see. Oh my goodness, they smell good. I'm going to put another minute. Ooh, they smell good. What's going on here? Oops, I won't. Another 2 minutes. Call myself ordering some cookies, because we do want sweets every now and then. I had 2 bags out of here, and there are 5 cookies in each bag. It's enough for a little snack. 3 left. Guess who ate them? There was 20 in here. So these are really good. I ordered these from Amazon. This is for when we don't have anything, that we can fall back on the stuff I ordered from Amazon as a backup. Too late. I got a big old box of potato chips. I think it's 24 bags of different kind of potato chips. So we got food in here and snacks. What you ain't got, I mean, you can order. If you ain't going to the store, you're supposed to stay home. Let's see. It was too high up. Y'all couldn't see nothing I was doing. Well, I just took the cookie sheet out. I'm about to put this one in. Okay. So I let them do what they do. See how the bottom looks. Okay, lightly brown around the edges. Okay, let's see. Okay, put these over here. Pan's still hot. Be back. Okay, this just beeped. So that was on the first setting. And I'm not going to add any more time to this. Four more. So in all, this made 28 cookies. Could have used my bigger scoop. Okay, let's set this again. 11 minutes. So these cookies are lighter than first batch because I let the other batch stay in for 13 minutes. This is my first batch. There's my second batch. Let them cool a bit before I take them off. Guess y'all want to see me eat one. I already had one. Need another one. Crumbs dropping on the floor. I'll break it. Show y'all the cake-like consistency inside, and it's crispy on the outside. I hear that crunch. Mmm. Mm. So good. I said chocolate chip. Well, white chip. Mmm. This is good, y'all. I gotta mop this floor. Okay. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all stay safe. Stay home and cook. And I will. I'm ending this now, but I'll be back to show you all my cookies that are done. So you all stay blessed. Okay, bye. Okay, I just took my last cookies out. I'll put them on this. This is a cake taker. You're supposed to put cakes in. But y'all know I'm different. I'm extra. These are my quarantine cuisine snacks. Cake mix cookies. And which ones? These are the ones that I cooked for the recommended amount of time. And these are the ones that I cooked a couple minutes longer. This is how this looks. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. Okay. Here's a thumbnail. The lighting is not good in here today. So, turn this off and unplug. Okay, y'all. That's pretty good for a thumbnail. Like I said, I used the Cosori air fryer oven. So keep these fresh. Bye for real now. Be blessed.